Here it comes again. So all it's been doing is raining like this. Everything is just getting soaked. Oop, my wife wants her plants in. Ah, too much water. It's killing our garden. Oh, I can't put it up there. Sorry, it's killing our garden. Our tomatoes got beat up. It's just been doing this. Thunder and lightning and tornado watch last night. And it just does this and does this and does this. Thank God we live up on a mountain. There we go, I did it this time there. And then it stops again. So, I guess that's the life in upstate New York for a while.